Hello children, I am Veena Bhargava, author of a textbook of ICSE Geography. This video is based on my new release, a resource book of ICSE Geography, an examination-oriented companion by Goyal Brothers Prakashan. As its name suggests, this book has been specially designed for the ICSE students aspiring to excel in their examinations. It contains additional consolidated practice questions with answers for chapter-wise revision strictly as per the ICSE syllabus of geography. This is an examination-oriented book including new topographical survey maps along with the solved MCQs, analytical, assertion, reason and picture-based questions. This book comprises recently released competency-focused questions by the Council and 2026 Specimen Paper solved to familiarize students with the changing pattern of the board examination paper. Hope this resource book will prove to be a valuable asset for every forthcoming batch of ICSE students. Thank you.